Namaste. Today's topic is voice. In many ways, our voice is our ambassador. The voice reaches where we cannot physically. If the quality of the voice that is projected is rich, resonant, clear, and powerful, it will create a very good impression. It's almost as if the voice has a personality of its own. And if that personality is powerful, engaging, charming, then it will win friends and influence people. In today's world, winning friends and influencing people is very important. To have a good voice, that is rich, resonant, the important thing is that your vocal cords, your voice box, the airways, etc. are clear and hopefully functioning well. In this, your Sushumna is also called the vagus nerve broadly. It corresponds to the quality of your voice. If the vocal cords are clear, if the voice box is clear, it is important that one's Sushumna is clear. Or rather, we can put it this way, when the Sushumna is cleared and cleansed and functioning well, the quality of the voice will also be good, rich, resonant, powerful. This video is not being made with any kind of enhancement. There is no change. It's just a normal recording done on one